Hello everyone. In this session, we'll introduce you to Cloud Pak for Security, IBM's flagship security solution. Before we jump on to the details of Cloud Pak for Security, let us understand the current scenario in security industry. Today, we have a lot of security vendors doing wonderfully well in a very limited sphere of influence. The highest share for any security organization in a security products is not more than 4%. That means every organization has multiple security solutions for different security domains. Integrating these solutions is a difficult task, and managing this integration is even more difficult. Consider you have integrated about 5 security products, and a couple of the products are updated. While updating these products, the security administrator should be cognizant of the fact that the upgrade should not break the integration. To maintain this integration, you need security professionals who are not only expert in their own product, but are also integration experts. Say, even if you have overcome the challenge of expert manpower, what you face next is a bigger challenge of managing and prioritizing security alerts. There are thousands of alerts to deal with. Which alert from which product should we prioritize? To overcome this challenge, security organizations come up with a concept of SIEM. But right now, in the security world, we have multiple SIEM solutions like ArcSight, Splunk, and IBM's own QRadar. For the security professional, he or she will need to learn all these different SIEMs and also need to learn the cloud technologies associated with it. Again, we will need to integrate these SIEM and cloud solutions and come up with a unified approach for security. Else, the only solution remaining would be to copy the data from one SIEM to another. And this copying of data from one SIEM to another is not a feasible solution. So the solution that we propose is to create an SIEM of SIEMs, and we call it the Cloud Pak for Security. This Cloud Pak for Security is installed on Red Hat OpenShift, which means that this Cloud Pak solution can be installed anywhere. It can be installed on-prem or any other cloud solution. So how does this Cloud Pak for solution work? What are the components that are in the Cloud Pak solution? We'll learn more about this Cloud Pak solution in our next video. That is the part 2. Thanks.